Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to install a dumper. Possibly the right, maybe the wrong way. We'll find out. Let's go ahead and get started on this. We're working on this Cadillac. 98 Cadillac. Just tell them about it.
I don't know what to do.
I just threw you right into the camera like, yeah. Okay, so it's a 98 Cadillac. What is this?
SLS.
SLS? All right, so we're going to go ahead and start cutting one of the mufflers off. We're doing away with that.
All right, man. This is why
Let's do it.
Camera guy.
So, I didn't realize it actually has a brand on it. So if you want one of these, there's the brand.
I bought it on Amazon.
Yeah, it's Amazon.
So if it's a good price if you want quick shipping.
Alright, so we already went under here, cut out the pipe. We just used a Sawzall. Did it the old-fashioned, quick and dirty way. We just cut one of the mufflers out. It might actually be a little louder now, even if you straight piped it back to that other muffler. Alright, and now we're gonna crawl underneath here. See, it's cut here and here. Right before the O2 sensor. Right there's your O2 sensor. So we don't want to mess with the O2 sensor. And the Cadillac converter is still hooked up there. And then it goes back there, there's another muffler right there. And then it splits off to like a dual exhaust. So it's like a faux dual exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and probably put the dumpers right about here. And then I can't talk. I think I'm having a stroke. Adapt this pipe to that because this is actually a different diameter than this one. This is probably like a 2.5. That looks like a 3-inch pipe. That's huge. Can't really tell on here, but you just got to believe me. Alright, let's do it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we've got it installed. He's so excited he's about to take off. Ooh. That sounds good.
It does.
It sounds real nice. I think it can open more. I think he's just tapping it too. I don't think it's all the way open.
I don't
I think it's partial, muffled. It sounds good though. Ooh, yeah. This thing sounds good.
It does.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, dude. It sounds so good.
Dude, it does.
It sounds smooth.
Oh yeah.
That just sounds like a V8 now.
Yeah, that's what he wanted.
Yeah.
I don't know. What's going on? It does.
Oh, I thought you
You hit a button.
You just tap the button? Okay, I want to find out. I can't hear you. What? Huh? Yeah, he wants to do that. That's the next thing.
Oh yeah, that's the next thing he's gonna do.
All right, so this is gonna be the wrap-up video. I'm gonna show you real quick what we did to it.
Yo, fucking goats, dude. Oh.
All right, so there's a wire right here, which is unplugged right now.
Oh, dude,
And I drilled a small hole. Let's see if I can get in here and show you. It's kind of awkward, but I drilled a small hole next to the battery and put rubber hose around it. You know, all the safety stuff. Oops. Dropping all this fishing stuff. And move this over. There we go. That just clips in. Anyway, let's see if I can fit under here and show you what it looks like. Flash on. There we go. Here's what it looks like. So we just put a pipe. This is a quick way. Anybody can do this. If you have any way to cut the pipe. It's just simple. It's on there. You got the dumper valve right here. And we just ran the wires around the pipe. And then we took it up over here. Wires went right in. Right there. You see that rubber hose? Boom. Simple. Quick. And he's happy. And I'll put the link of this exact dumper in our description so you guys can get you one of these if you want it. This was a single pipe system. Hopefully you guys like this video and it might help you out to get a little noise out of your car. And now I'm going back to enjoying the rest of the day. So don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. See y'all next time.